everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now if you want to see how I created this beautiful tablescape, stay tuned and watch. Okay, so let's talk about what I used to create this beautiful tablescape. So we are outside in my enclosed porch, and that beautiful gold vase that you see in the back with the stand, I purchased that at Dollar General, and it looks gorgeous. All of the florals, believe it or not, came from the Dollar Tree, and the candle stand was thrifted from the Salvation Army, and the candles, all of them came from the Dollar Tree. Then we have a vase on the opposite side of the gold vase, and that was a DIY, and that is also holding florals from the Dollar Tree. Okay, now we also have a garland that runs behind that gold vase, and that I purchased at Michael's, that has white florals on it. And then we have that white runner, that furry runner, oh my goodness, I got that at Hobby Lobby. Now those two little gold pillows that you saw me put in the chair, that I got at the Dollar Tree, and also that I have a throw rug that's sitting over the back chair of the right, on the right side. That, believe it or not, I purchased that at Five Below. What a great buy. Now the chargers and the dishes, they came from the Dollar Tree. Those dishes are the ones with the gold trim, and of course those absolutely gorgeous chargers, they came from there also. I love them. Now today is part of a collaboration called Tablescape Tuesdays, and that's my favorite time of the week. Now this collab is hosted by the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, that's myself, and Amethyst Adventures. Now today we have a guest host, and her name is Divine Inspiration by Martha. And I am so honored to have her here today because we are celebrating my birthday. So this is the birthday edition of Tablescape Tuesdays, and we do have a theme, and that's white and gold. So let's jump right back into the video. So guys, if you haven't been over to see Divine Inspiration by Martha's channel, you need to head on over there and show her some love. What a beautiful, beautiful channel she has. I absolutely love her tablescapes. What an inspiration. Now, I do want to say that watching each and every one of you create and build your tablescapes to show everyone here what an absolutely awesome thing to do. And not only that, we get to share these videos out on social media for everyone to see. So we're learning from each other as we grow from each other. Amen. Heading back to the video, those cloth napkins were a gifted item from a friend, along with those beautiful napkin rings, which remind me of diamond rings, and I absolutely love that. So we're also using the flatware, and this flatware, I got this from Aldi. It's an absolutely beautiful set, and I think overall this tablescape is absolutely gorgeous. course, we all know what time it is when I start lighting the candles, but this time we're adding the birthday cake because it wouldn't be my birthday if we didn't have a pink cake. Yum! Okay, so here we are at the reveal. I think this looks absolutely gorgeous, and I hope that you guys agree. Now I do want to take a moment and thank Martha from Divine Inspirations by Martha for hosting this collaboration with me for my birthday, along with everybody else who participated. You guys are so amazing. God bless you all. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoy creating it. If you like the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified every single time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, guys. I'll see you in the next one.